thy spirit hath passed away from these white cliffs and high embattled towers, this gorgeous fiery colored world of ours seems fallen into ashes dull and grey, and the age changed unto a mimic play, wherein we waste our else too crowded hours. For all our pomp and pageantry and powers, we are but fit to delve the common clay, seeing this little isle on which we stand, this England, the sea line of the sea, by ignorant demagogues is held in fee, who love her not. Dear God, is this the land which bare a triple empire in her hand, when Cromwell spake the word democracy?